What's going on, guys? Alright, so today it's Christian here from CK Wraps. This is my Disassembly channel. Today I'm gonna remove the side mirror on the Camaro. So I've done a video now on removing the door panel. I'll put a link up in the top there for you. Now we're gonna remove the mirror itself. So the mirror obviously has a wire in it. It's a power mirror. This is not a car from like the 70s. So we do have a power mirror. What we wanna do, and in this case, sometimes so what we want to do is unplug it. First of all, we have to figure out which plug it is. It's guaranteed to be that one. This, for some reason, is already unplugged, and it should have been sitting in here. I'm not sure why, if this has already been previously removed, or if it's just kind of come out over the years. I'm not sure. It still looks very original. No, there's actually some man-made electrical tape here, so it's been taken out. I have no idea why. Either way, not a big deal. What we want to do is we want to unclip the wire right here. So in order to do that, this doesn't actually have a push pin that pushes down on it. We have to actually pry up on the tab and then slide out the wire, okay? So that's out now. Don't pry up on the tab too hard because you will break the tab.
You want us to wait for you?
Yeah, just give me 10 minutes. That's fine. You can just no music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. So in here, it looks like we're gonna have a 10mm socket needed. We're gonna have three nuts basically. All right. There's gonna be two here, 1, 2, and then one right there. So this has been taken off for sure because normally there are covers that go over these little bits. To get this wire out, it's not a big deal. We're gonna push it through. We're going to push the grommet back through, and then we're going to start undoing these. Is it 10mm? Yes. We want to be careful that we don't drop these. If we do, it's not the end of the world. What you can do is sometimes you can reach through with your finger and kind of hold it, okay? So I was able to hold this. Otherwise, if you can't reach it, just be careful and be gentle. I'm gonna let's go for the top one first, and then we'll go for the bottom one afterwards. So it does help to hold it so we don't drop the head of the nut inside the door. If we drop it, we can usually get it out. In some cases it's a huge pain, in other cases it's not so big of a deal. This one is not that hard to get out. I've dropped them before. So if we drop it, we just remove the speaker, or we can go in through the liner right here. And then we have one more here, all right? So this helps, obviously, to have two people. That way, we can make sure that the mirror doesn't fall. I'm gonna do this by myself. And I'm just gonna look at it to see when I can get the nut off. There we go. So I've got the nut off right there. The last one's always the more tricky one. And now, the mirror itself should slide out very gently. The mirror is off completely, all right? So very, very easy. We disconnect the wire first, and then on this particular car, we disconnect the wire first, undo the 3 nuts, hold the mirror, or have someone help you hold the mirror, because this one doesn't have a secondary clip holding this mirror on. A lot of mirrors will have a secondary clip that you have to release in order to slide the mirror out the rest of the way once you get the nuts off. This one does not have that, so we have to be careful when we're doing this. That way we're holding it for the last nut coming off. That way the mirror doesn't hit the floor. You can leave it plugged in just for security measures in case it does fall. It'll grab onto this, but again, you could damage something if that happens, so try not to do that. Try to do it the right way. That's by holding onto the mirror. Otherwise, we have the mirror off. And this is on the generation just before the newest generation Camaro. Guys, I hope the video was informative and helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see some more videos on how to take apart this car, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care.